Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. Y'all, this is the follow-up from the Speedy 30 that I got from Japanese eBay. I have cleaned the bag, restored it, and moisturized and everything, so I wanted to show you that process again. Now, after I get done with this video, I'm gonna take the bag and I'm gonna box it up, take it to the UPS store, and send it to Louis Vuitton for that zipper repair. And I will do another video and just let you see the whole process of sending that back for a repair for Louis Vuitton. So y'all check out that video when it comes back. It could take up to 6 weeks for the bag to come back, but I'm really excited to get it fixed and get it back so I can use it. Before I show you the restored bag, I do want to say thank you to all of my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing today. Go ahead and hit that bell notification as well so you'll know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok, and I post high quality images on my Instagram. Now, for everything else Mad Hatter, don't forget to check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there and shopping links as well. With all that out of the way, if everybody could just take a moment to give this video a like before you click out of it, I do appreciate that. It does help my channel to grow. So let me tell you a little bit about this bag before I show it to you. It's a 2001 Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the monogram print, and it's in really, really nice shape. I got it off of Japanese eBay, and I paid about $200 originally, about $250 with the shipping and the taxes. And I'm gonna spend another $50 to get the zipper repair. So that's gonna be about $300 for this Speedy. And after you see it, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's a really good deal. I'm really shocked that I got this deal on this bag, and I was really shocked on the condition of it. So I had to do a little minimal restoring, you know, cleaning it up. The interior was fabulous already. And then I just moisturized it basically and put a nice coat on the canvas of my Luxe DR canvas moisturizer. I love that stuff. Before I show you the bag, I want to show you a little bit about the cleaning process and restoring process that I did, and I'll explain that in the videos. Let me tell you a little bit more about the cleaning process. First, I'll start off with these water wipes, and I clean the leather and the canvas in every little nook and cranny. This is really just preparing the bag so that you can get as much dirt and debris off of it as possible without damaging anything before you actually clean the canvas and the leather, but it does do a really good job on cleaning just the canvas. Later on, you'll use your saddle soap and that'll really get the leather clean. Just look at the dirt on this white. After the outside is clean, I move to the interior of the bag and clean everything, even including the inside of the pocket, really well. Next, I use this blue coral upholstery cleaner to really clean the inside of the bag really well. I spray each side of the interior and really scrub it down with the cloth. It really refreshes the bag and makes it smell so much better. This bag, fortunately, was really clean on the inside, luckily. After cleaning all of the interior, I use my brasso to go in on the hardware. Just put a little bit on there and really scrub at it. You may have to do a few coats to really get the hardware to be shiny again. I go over the zipper as well, but after you're done, your hardware will be a nice shiny silver or gold color, so don't be afraid to really get in there with this brasso. Just look at the difference it makes on this beautiful gold hardware. It's so shiny now on this bag. After I got the hardware all shiny, I go in with my saddle soap on the leather, give it a nice gentle scrub with the little cloth, or you can use the brush that comes with this kit as well. But really go over it and get the leather clean. This really makes a difference. It dries your leather out a little bit, so you do have to follow it up with the mink oil, so don't forget that step after you let all of the leather dry. But just get every piece of leather that you can on this bag clean. I even do the piping, and on the inside if there's any leather on the rivets or anything in there, I do that as well. Make sure after cleaning with the saddle soap you wipe off all of the excess soap. Just look at the difference it makes in the leather. Here you can see where I'm cleaning the piping, making sure to wipe off all of the excess soap afterwards. To me, the saddle soap is what really makes a difference in the leather. After you get everything dry, you're going to want to go in with your mink oil here and coat everything liberally with this mink oil. It will darken the leather a little bit, but as it dries and soaks in, the leather will lighten up a little bit more, but you really need to get the moisture on your bag. After using the mink oil, I go in with my Luxe DR monogram canvas treatment and I coat the bag completely. It doesn't matter if you get this on the leather, but it just brings the canvas back to life and gives it a great shine. I mean, just look at the difference in the canvas after you put this stuff on. It's amazing. Let me show you the bag now. This is what it looks like after I restored it. It's still really fresh as far as the restoration, so you will see a little bit of kind of a sheen to it and it will absorb after time, but I just got done doing the bag and putting the mink oil and the canvas coating on it, so still has a little sheen. But let me show you the bag up close here. Look how much nicer it looks, cleaned up and moisturized. It's amazing what you can do with the bag when you take care of it. So this is the front side of it. And I do still have to get the zipper replaced, but we're gonna send it off here. So that is the back side of it there on the side. The monogram looks so nice, and the canvas is really nice, and the leather looks really moisturized as well, so you can see there. I cleaned all of the piping on it, as you'll see in the video. There's the other side of it, and the patina on this one is really, really even. The handles have a really beautiful honey color once they lighten up a little bit from me putting that minkle on it. There's the Louis Vuitton logo on it on that piece there. Okay, so just nice, nice, nice bag, and it looks so much better, I think. So there's the bottom of it. The canvas just looks so much richer with that canvas coating on there. Okay, so there is the chaps there up close. You can see they're moisturized. I did shine up the hardware as well, even the zipper on top. Let me show you that. So there is the zipper pull that I'm going to have replaced from Louis Vuitton, and look how much nicer that zipper is, shiny, shiny, and all of the hardware as well. So that is the outside of the bag. So I think it looks much better. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments. Let's go on the inside and I'll show you the inside, even though it was already immaculate. All right, y'all, let's open her up and go on the inside so you can see the interior. The interior still looks really beautiful. If you can see down in there, it's probably hard to see, but try to get the lighting as nice as I can for you. But it's super clean. I did clean it out with the upholstery cleaner, so it has a nice fresh smell to it now. I cleaned the pocket and everything, and I put some oil on that little vachetta piece on the leather there. And of course I did put leather conditioner on my leather pieces there and shine those gold pieces there on the rivets. Show you the other side here. And there's that. The D-ring on this side already looked immaculate, almost like it had been replaced. So I'm not sure, but it looks brand new to me. And the interior is just super immaculate, y'all. I just love this bag, and I'm gonna be so happy with it once I get it back from Louis Vuitton. So that is the bag, and I think it's beautiful. I think I really lucked up on this bag by getting it, and I think it's beautiful, and I'm gonna cherish it for a long time. All right, y'all, so that is her all cleaned up. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning process and got to see some new things. Those products are also linked in the description of this video if you need to get any of them for your bags. I appreciate y'all tuning in to watch my video today. Y'all do tune in to the video that's gonna come up in a few weeks when I come back, and I'll show you the whole process of sending this bag to Louis Vuitton to get that zipper replaced. I do appreciate everybody for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and please give my video a like. It does help. I appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's about to storm here at my house, so I've got to get this bag boxed up, and we're gonna get her to the UPS store and send her to Louis Vuitton. All right, y'all, arrivederci. I'll see y'all later. Have a good night. Bye.